So what's going on, guys? Uncle Luke here. 1-0 Canes here in the first period. I don't know if I'm going to make a final score video yet. Sorry, I haven't made any of the videos for Game 1 or Game 2. I've been busy lately. Wow, what a game it's been so far. I'm still pretty bad about the Alex Ovechkin thing, where he just beat up. That one guy, I forgot his name. It was like Andre or something. That really gets me upset. There's been a lot of fights going on. I do not like the Caps at all. They don't know when to shut their mouths. I just don't know. I don't really like them that much, to be honest, bro. For real. So I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching. Let's go, Canes. Let's hope we can get another score. Yeah. By the way, screw you, Alex Ovechkin. Please, retire. Weirdo. Please. Please.